Forecasting HR requirements techniques. There are three statistical techniques. A. Trend analysis. Simple approach because it uses data only from previous staffing levels over time to predict future needs. B. Ratio analysis. More sophisticated approach that use data from prior sales figures or other operational data to predict expected headcount. C. Regression analysis can be used with historical predictors and can make more statistically precise estimates of future expectation. Judgmental techniques. Human decision-making models that use for forecasting HR requirements. Top-down approach. Top managers, organizational units, or functions rely on their knowledge of business and organizational plans to predict future headcounts. Bottom-up approach. Lower-level managers make initial estimates for their unit. Scenario techniques. To predict future outcomes in an uncertain environment, provides a range of estimates based on various possible changes in the external and internal environment.
Created using Powtoon.